Hello guys. Now I have made a short video on Wednesday about MicroStrategy, and I said I sold all my shares. Am I right or am I wrong? Okay, I got some answers now, and today I make another video explaining why I sold. Now, understand that for me, I'm not looking for fundamentals, why the stock goes up. This question I have answered with my strategies that I have is I don't care what is going on with this company. What I care about is the trend. Now I see a trend going. There are many ways, techniques that I explained many times in my training and in my subscriptions that I have. So when the trend is going up, I follow. I follow the trend. Uh, my best trends are nearly 45% when the trend is leaning. It means it's not vertical. Now, sometimes, like what happened with MicroStrategy, it has a very long trend, which is about 45%, 45 degree. It means when you see it, it's like leaning, it's like going like this, like this, like this. But you see that MicroStrategy, after the trend was like this, and then there is a few days where it is like this. It's vertical. Now, vertical when the each day is going so high with 10%, 40%, 50%. It means it's a very big push. A lot of people, they come and they buy. Maybe they heard the news or they heard, I don't know what they what's it, but it's a lot of people are coming and buying. Now, for me, when I see that vertical few days trend coming, I understand it is the dead end. And I sold my shares on Wednesday, and today the stock has gone up in the morning. It has gone so high and then comes down very, very, like 16%. Now, when we see 16%, it's from yesterday close 16%, but it's not 16%. If you calculate what reaches today, the high that reaches today, and when it goes down, you find it's more than 16. You find it's about 20 or 25% or 30%. I didn't check that well, but it is a very it is a very it is a very red candlestick, and this very red candlestick, the stock becomes so volatile. It goes up too much and then it collapses. And then for me, I don't care what's going on. Today I see that someone, a company, uh, like it's like it could be a hedge fund, or say they say that today we shorted MicroStrategy. Okay, but you can see these short sellers. You can see them when you go to the profile of the company. You see the short selling. You see them who are selling short the company, and I don't know what will happen in the following, like tomorrow or next week. If maybe Bitcoin is going more and more, because MicroStrategy is always related to Bitcoin. When Bitcoin uh, goes like 3%, you find MicroStrategy going by 7 or 10 or 15%. Because they like it too much. There is something going on with MicroStrategy. Okay, so for me, it depends on how much I make in this stock. When I see a stock is going like this, is going like few days, like going like into a vertical trend, it will fall. And when it will fall, it falls so hard. So I am uh, uh, I did it perfectly this time. But sometimes uh, I exit when there is a gap up, for example. This is just something I do, or I sell half at the gap up, and after a few days, I will sell the other half if the stock doesn't go. These are some of my techniques in my strategies. Okay, so for me, I'm trying to explain as much as I can, but in order to follow these trends and acquire techniques to how to deal with trend in terms of price. I'm not going to fundamentals. I don't care about fundamentals. Okay? So fundamentals doesn't give you money. It's the trend that gives you money. Now, anything that pushes the price, I don't care what is this thing that pushes the price. Okay? So I trade what I see. I don't trade fundamentals like an investor. Investor is another thing. So I am doing only swing trading. Okay, just to make sure what I am doing. So don't be confused with day trading, with swing trading, and with investing. Investing, you should know about the company that you are investing in, but swing trading, you don't need any information. For example, today they say that there is a hedge fund or a firm that it is shorting the stock, and they say, oh, it's us who short it. Okay, but what this information do to me? Okay, if you are in today and you lose 16% or 20%, if you know the reason, it's over. But if on Wednesday they tell you tomorrow I will short, now this all the people will sell today, those who follow. So that's why, guys, whether it's the news, the price is already done what it does. It's over. For example, yesterday I sold. Yesterday, Wednesday, I sold. Today is Thursday. The stock collapsed. I am lucky. I am lucky to go perfect with the stock. But sometimes I get hit with certain things when the trend is so excellent. But when I see this thing in the stock, I will always try to exit the trade before the collapse. Before the collapse. But understand that I am with Microstrategy with the beginning. It's 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. I am with the stock. Okay, so I have run, or I have run the with the stock until I see high profits, and then I exit. Hope this something that it is quick, and I announce it, and on Wednesday that I sold all my shares. Some people they say, why you sell? It's going up. You are wrong. You are doing this. But for me, I have my profits. I don't care about what happened to the stock later, shorted or it goes high. Even if it goes higher, I am lucky because I exit this hard and dangerous stock. It's not stocks that move with $1 or $2 a day. This stock, it's moving. It's moving with $50, $60, $70 a day. So it's a stock that it is a monster. I call it. I call it a monster stock. This reminds me of Tesla and Apple before. 2 or 3 years ago, when there is the big move in 2020, I I I thought about that, and we have uh, uh, followed those stocks in the 20 after the Corona 1 month Corona correction, and they will be a very good trend. Now, try to expect some corrections in the market right now, especially in the big movers. Okay, even Bitcoin and the other, expect that. Although everything is fine, but when everything is going down and we have problems, understand that you are losing a lot of your profits. So try always to do some of this kind of techniques that I use. It means when you reach a lot of money in a stock and you see that the end is coming, you can sell half and then wait for more. If there is no, you sell the other half. At least you keep your profits. Your profits, you work hard 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 7 months. You are working hard to get all this money. Don't let a few days, 1 day, 2 days, few days, um, take all your money that you earned from the stock. Okay, please, if you have questions or if you have other ideas about MicroStrategy or other thing, please comment. Please share my videos. And if you have any specific question, please go and send me an email. You always find it in the description, istockmoney@yahoo.com. Send me an email and we can discuss further for something else. Thank you.